Hi, and welcome to another coffee break with formation. So today's coffee break is actually a little bit of a productivity tip. So if you're an engineer, or even if you're not, you might be able to relate to this experience. I know where I frequently have where, once I kind of figure out the solution to a problem and I know how to solve it, and all I really need to do is just code it up, I kind of crave this feeling of getting it done and will oftentimes stay up way too late trying to get closure for the night. And separately, you might also relate to a different experience. This is what I call kind of the empty canvas problem, where when you're just starting, you're having a hard time starting your day because you don't know where to start. And then procrastination starts kicking in, and then you lose half the day just because you have such a mental block. So today I have a tip that I don't think will work for everyone. We'll see. And the tip is really kind of combining the two experiences that I just talked about. And so next time, when you're in the state of flow, my tip is to deliberately leave your work unfinished so that you can get rid of the cold start problem for the next day. And by doing this, it might actually bother you so much that it's left unfinished that it'll actually help you be motivated to get your day started earlier the next day. I don't know. I don't know if you guys have mornings like when you're so excited to do your work when you wake up that you don't even need coffee because you're just so amped already. I have this pretty frequently. I don't know if that makes me weird. Does that make me weird? Please do let me know in the comments because I have to know. But anyway, by having this kind of easy ramp up into your day, you'll be warmed up and in a flow state by the time you get to the end of your code, which makes it much more likely that you can easily flow into the next task of your day as well. And I think that this tip is relevant both when you're writing code for, a real project or a feature, but also relevant if you're practicing for a coding interview. If you're learning a problem, learn the high-level approach one day and kind of deliberately leave the implementation for the next day. And I'd argue that this will actually solidify your learning and actually deepen and strengthen your understanding of the problem. So I guess that's it for today. The tip is to deliberately do not finish your work in order to reduce the cold start problem for the next day. And please do let me know if this works for you. I'm very curious. It's something I've done here and there, and I'm interested in knowing if this works for other people. So thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you at the next coffee break with formation.